Hi guys, welcome back at the channel. We welcome you here in Cholet for the Helico 2026. We came in with the BO105 and the Cobra, amazing lineup of helicopters. The Helico is a pure helicopter air show, and we are really happy to be here and looking forward to perform, to show our aircrafts to this amazing French crowd.
Hi, my name is Gerrit Dobelhammer and I do have the privilege to support the Flying Bulls aviation and event team. At the heart of the Helico air show is the tower building. Actually, it's not a controlled airfield. That means we don't have air traffic control as we understand it for giving clearances. There's only one guy up there and he's giving traffic information. And behind him is the display director responsible for the correct schedule and all affairs in flying activities. This is a helicopter-only air show. That means from the airspace structure it's much more easier to handle. We don't need for the jet flying aircraft an eject area where they could bail out. It's helicopter based only. I will hand over to Stefan, who is responsible for the technical issues on our helicopters. Bienvenue et salut!
Yeah, my first steps: take a quick look at the helicopter, start to prepare it, do a pre-flight, walk around, prepare the smoke systems. So be the first in the morning at the helicopter is always nice. After our ferry flight to Cholet, we have to prepare the helicopter for the aerobatic display. We need it as light as possible, so we have to remove the dual controls, the aux tank, all the equipment we took with us. A cargo bay full of stuff that we need for the air shows. From stuff to clean the helicopter, which we will perform later on, to ladders, to ground handling wheels, to oil, to service the engines, the main box. It's like a treasure box. The last steps before installation of the smoke system is to remove our auxiliary tank, which contains 200 liters of fuel for extension of our range during the ferry flight. Yeah, it's really fast and easy to remove. Now it's time to clean the aircraft and then installation of the smoke system, and then it's ready for the show. Now, as the BO105 is ready for the display, we check the Cobra as well, prepare for the display, do the pre-flight as well, and then we enjoy the show.
We are leaving now the ramp area where all the helicopters will depart from here into their display. We are going now to the other side of the air show because there's the media center and we were asked to do some commentaries during our displays. So the Helico air show is the helicopter only major air show in Europe. They told us they expect about 30,000 enthusiastic spectators. So we are expecting about 100 helicopters from the industry, civil side, and even from the military. So now we try to find the media lady.
Ça c'est quand même incroyable, c'est un savoir-faire propre à l'hélicoptère.
Les civils va vous présenter un treuillage. Donc c'est exactement ce qui se passe.
Salut, merci à la sécurité civile.
Information, Cobra, request startup. Cobra, startup approved. Last wind 320 degrees, 10 knots, maximum 15 knots, and QNH 1021. 1021, startup approved, Cobra. Display, this is Cobra, ready anytime for display.
Cobra, at your own discretion, you may line up. Last wind 330 degrees, flight now.
Take off at own discretion, Cobra.
Mesdames et messieurs, bonjour et salut de la part de la Flying Bull. Permettez-moi de me présenter personnellement. Je suis Gary Dobelhammer, colonel à la retraite. Au cours de ma première vie, j'ai servi dans l'armée de l'air autrichien et à la retraite, aujourd'hui, j'ai l'honneur de soutenir les Flying Bulls.
finished, coming in for bow. Yeah. Cobra encore.
Et ensuite la scène commencera. Et puis le bouquet final, un hélicoptère, deux hélicoptères de l'équipe de Red Bull, actuellement
So now it's my turn to finish the whole preparation. Helicopter is ready, smoke is ready. I've checked everything. And, the only thing missing is the walkthrough before the actual display. And so I have my display in here, and normally I'm getting behind the helicopter so nobody's seeing me, but I'm doing my walkthrough.
Effectivement, ça monte tout seul, c'est bien équilibré, le rotor est fait son travail. Léger, rapide, magnane. Voilà pourquoi il passe en dernière position, parce que c'est difficile de passer après lui.
So we are back now on the other side, close to our helicopters, and this was Helico 2026. Hope to see you somewhere else in Europe for an air show, and bye for now. Ciao, ciao.